Now look at this one, equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So you have already learned that one, 2 0, negative 3 0, 4 0, like that. When it comes, that will be on the x-axis only. So let us see one example. Now look at this one, 2 0. 2 0 will come here, 3 0 will come here, 4 0 will come here, 5 0 will come here. Like that, negative 1 0 will come here, negative 2 0 will come here. Like that it will go. So if y is equal to 0, okay, that is, it will come in x-axis only. When y equal to 0, the points will lie on the x-axis. At the same time, if x is equal to 0, the points will lie on the y-axis. Here you can write 0 1. This point is 0 2. This point is 0 3, like that. Here it will come 0 negative 1, 0 negative 2, 0 negative 3, like that. So when x is equal to 0, it will be on y-axis, and when y equal to 0, it will be on x-axis. That you have to remember. Next year also we have to use that property. So when x is equal to 0, that means it is y-axis, and when y equal to 0 means it is on x-axis. Now example 9, you see, solve the equation 2x plus 1, then x minus 3, and represent the solution in number line and a Cartesian plane. Now so your equation is 2x plus 1, that is equal to x minus 3. Okay. Now x you take to this side, 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 4. In one equation, that is in number line, when you are drawing, so you simply draw like this, 0 1 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like that. You have to take here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. It will come here. Okay. So in a number line, when you are drawing, x is equal to negative 4 will come like this. In Cartesian plane, when you are drawing, where x is equal to minus 4 will come here in this one. So it will be a straight line parallel to y-axis. It will be a straight line parallel to y-axis. So when it is Cartesian plane, it will be a line parallel to y-axis. Understood? When it was in a number line, it was a point, that is x is equal to minus 4 there. When it is in a Cartesian plane, it is a line parallel to y-axis. Now exercise 4.4. First one, give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. So it is given y equal to 3. Okay. So in one variable, when you are writing the equation, you can write y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. That is the only thing you need. So how to represent that geometrically? that is y equal to 3, that is 0, a number line you have to draw. Now where 3 will come positive value, this is equal to our y. Okay, now two variable, how will you write? 0x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, and that equation when you are representing in a graph paper, y equal to 3, where y equal to 3 will come 1 2 3, so like this it will come positive value, so it will be a line parallel to x-axis. So you have to draw that one in your graph book. Okay, y equal to 3 will be a line parallel to our x-axis. This is y. So y equal to 3 is a line parallel to x-axis. That is the first question. So first, in one variable, how will you write? Y equal to 3, that is y minus 3 equal to 0, and geometrical representation will be a number line like this, and where positive 3 will come, that point will be our y. In two variable, when we write 0x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, that is in graph paper you have to draw y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, upwards it will come parallel to x-axis, a straight line it will come. Now second one, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. So 2x plus 9 equal to 0, that is the question itself is a equation in one variable. Okay, now how will you represent? What is x here? 2x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9 by 2 or 4.5. So when it representing that one, it is a positive quantity, so positive side you can take midpoint of 4 and 5, that is 4.5 it will come. This point will be our x. Okay, negative 1, negative 2, 3. So when we represent that in one variable, and geometrical representation will be in a number line, that value of x is equal to 9 by 2, that is 4.5, midpoint of 4 and 5, that will be our x. Now in two variable, how will you represent? 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0. 2x plus 0y, y term is absent, so put that 0y plus 9 equal to 0. Now that how will you represent? That is in the graph paper 1 2 3. Let us take that 4.5 here, so that will be a straight line parallel to y-axis. Okay, 1 2 3 4, in between 4 and 5, midpoint of 4 and 5, 4.5 you can take, and a straight line you have to draw, that will be parallel to y-axis. So the chapter is over. Go through that summary. One mark questions, true or false, MCQ, that type of questions you will get from that summary also.